Santa Workshop is a community event that is free for anybody to come. We reach out to New Albany High, Floyd Central, Highland Hills for volunteers, and it's just a day for kids to come in, have fun, just enjoy the holiday. We have people that have been coming for 13 years. I have parents that still drag their kids out here to get their picture with Santa. They just love it. It's just a great way to get in the spirit. Around the school is the scavenger hunt. So they have clues and they're going to go from one activity to the next before they find another elf, and there's a game at that elf. And then when they finish, they're going to end up as Santa and they're going to get a little prize. We're really focusing on parents helping the kids do the scavenger hunt because some of it's a little bit harder. We had to gear it for, a 3-year-old all the way up to a 10-year-old. So I'm seeing a lot more family involvement, which I think is fun. I think it's good for us to just be able to take a break from life and do something with our kids. We have crafts in the gym. We don't want to do junk that you're going to take home and throw away. We want to do something they're going to enjoy and have, hang up in their room or whatever. We're doing gingerbread ornaments. We're doing little dream catchers that are elves. We're doing popsicle snowmen. We have face painting, snowball fights, and then they can win cookies at a cookie walk. I think it's just so awesome to walk in and just see the kids have so much fun. These kids get so much happiness from it, and then them seeing Santa, and I think that's just the coolest thing. It just brings so much magic to the season.